Hello, this is James here from Sailing Virgins.
We're here for the Instructor Week. I'm going to be teaching the next batch of instructors. Some of them are going to be Sailing Virgins instructors. So you're going to see a little bit about what the Instructor Week involves.
So what you're going to see is a few things that we do to train up our instructors. They're really the lifeblood of Sailing Virgins, so it's really important that there's a really good training model that we've got.
Sailing Virgin. Yeah. Roll this token. Everything you hear, empty words, blue and mine.
So the trick to teaching anything is to codify, to break it down into its component parts, work through the parts, so people are winning from the get-go. Here's how I teach the bowline. Let's all pick up a piece of line. Now we're going to drape it over our left hand. What I'm going to do is kind of like scoop some ice cream. We're going to grab that and scoop it. Let's just get that right. So watch this here, and then I'm going to, that's it. It's just muscle memory. Let's do that half a dozen times, because then you'll just lock it into your muscle memory. That's it. See that? You've got the loop there. There's the loop. Okay. So let's do it from the top again. See how I guided him with my yeses? Every time he was doing it, he was hearing a yes. Psychologically, he was still flowing with it. Tomorrow, short-term memory's gone. Let's drop the right hand and let's just think about this for a second. And so we get that movement right. Do it heaps of times. Then reintroduce this one. And then, oh, okay, I get it. Oh, there's the tree, okay.
You get to do it. Forward line is in. Starboard line's clear.
That's it. You well? You're on this all season? Oh, lovely. Mate, great. Good to see you. Yeah, like you say something like that, they go, I want to be that guy. Yeah. And now we're heading to Cooper Island. Cooper Island's this awesome little island. It's got a nice little cafe, it's got an affogato, it's got everything. Sells our gear.
What's up? My name's Chris. I'm an instructor candidate with Sailing Virgins. Just showed up at Cooper Island. The beach club's right over here. It's my favourite spot in the BVIs. We've tied onto a mooring ball here, so we're all set. Candidates have done an awesome job. And we're gonna head in, dinghy in, grab a bite to eat, make sure you get the banana bread and the coffee. And I think we're doing dinner here as well tonight, so we're all stoked. See you soon.
So it's day 2 of this instructor course, and we've just been going through tutorials, detecting and correcting, and just improving the method of giving tutorials, keeping them super engaging, and that's sort of super positive. I would encourage you always to look for a story. If you can't have a story, just give a good reason. You got to sell this first. This is a sales job.
Yeah.
You're selling why they want to spend 10 minutes listening to you. I'm on a 59-foot, beautiful, brand new katana. We've just crossed the Atlantic. We get to a dock, and he does the lines. He's a bit of a control freak. We throw the line, and a big wind comes up. We can't get off. Imagine being locked onto this without being able to get off the boat. You know the sort of drama when there's like 40 knots of wind and you can't get off? Imagine if it's you that tied that line. Would you not feel a little bit bad? I mean, this is a €1.5 million boat. I could easily smash against the dock. What we're about to do now is I'll show you how to do this knot so that there's never a problem. Every tutorial, it shouldn't feel like a lesson at school. It needs to be in a certain structure that just makes it feel natural. And so that's what the instructor candidates are working on today, is structuring up their chutes. It feels just like tips and tricks from a friend. What we teach on our course is the Sailing Virgins method is a silent method. So Mitch here, who's an instructor candidate with us, we're on an instructor training week, is going to be taking the boat up, and I'm going to be out the front, and it'll all be silent. You'll see that all of my communications with Mitch are going to be silent. And the reason why silent method is because then if anything really goes wrong, you can talk, right? And you should be able to do this silently. It's not really a big deal. As soon as the helm can't see, and the helm's now approaching the ball, so as soon as the helm can't see the ball, then the eyes are going to be Stefan here, who's going to be steering the boat essentially
with the boat hook. So you'll see that. And now Stefan's pointing it, and the other way that he can do it is to kind of point it like that sort of thing to show. Yeah, you go. Yeah, you go. That's it, right? And so when he goes for the grab, then Mitch knows to stop the boat. So not before. So he's doing another couple of meters. Now that Stefan's going for the float, now he knows, Mitch knows to stop the boat. Mitch is going to keep the boat steady. The guys are going to grab the line for the other side. So you can go whenever you like, Stefan. Mitch can see the boat. He's going to bring starboard around here. And there hasn't been any yelling and shouting and anything like that.
In today's episode, we explored the value of codifying lessons to prevent student overwhelm. We then discussed how incorporating stories creates a natural flow and maintains engagement throughout the learning process. Finally, we examined a practical application of the systematic Sailing Virgins principle, the silent method. Keeping consistent learning principles throughout Sailing Virgins is important to maximise learning and to maximise enjoyment.
And we're just going to the Indians. The Indians is a beautiful area, good for snorkeling and that sort of thing. And then we're going to go to Willie T's. So everyone's kind of almost done their exams, and then we'll go have a couple of drinks at Willie T's.
Why don't you call me? Won't you call